Hello everyone, we continue with unit number 1, a multi-stage transistor amplifier. In last lecture, we discussed a RC coupled amplifier, its advantage and its disadvantage. The main disadvantage of RC coupled amplifier is that it has low voltage and power gain. To overcome this disadvantage, to get a high voltage gain and high power gain, we are using one more types of coupled amplifier, that is called as a transformer coupled amplifier. The main reason in the RC coupled amplifier to get a low voltage and low power is that the effective load resistance, it means from stage to stage resistance will be decreases. Due to this, the each and every preceding stage the gain will be reduces. If the effective load resistance of the each stage could be increased, then it will increase the voltage as well as power gain, and this is only achieved by using transformer between two stages. So in the transformer coupled amplifier, the main advantage is that the input impedance of an amplifier is low while output impedance is very high. So we can say that because of the high output impedance of the one stage comes in parallel with the low input impedance of the next stage, the effective load resistance will be decreases. The resistance on the secondary side of the transformer reflected on the primary depends upon the turn ratio of the transformer. This will be calculated by using one formula that we discussed later on. The impedance changing property of the transformer, the low resistance of a stage can be reflected as a high load resistance to the previous stage. Therefore, we can say that the output voltage will be increases and mostly the high power gain will be gets. That's why it is mostly used for the power amplification. As we know, the RC coupled will be used for the voltage amplification, whereas the transformer coupled will be used for the power amplification. See, this is what the circuit diagram of the transformer coupled amplifier. This is similar to the RC coupled amplifier, only the difference is we are using CC. At the place of CC, we are using the coupling transformer. જ્યાં આપણે CC यूज करता था, ત્યાં અહીંયા શું यूज કર્યું છે આપણે? coupling transformer use કર્યું છે. A coupling transformer used to feed the output of the one stage to the input of the next stage. And the primary means the primary winding of this transformer is made such a way that the collector load and its secondary as gives the input to the next stage. This is what the transformer coupled amplifier constructions. As you discuss, let's discuss about the working of the transformer coupled amplifier. Working is similar to the RC coupled amplifier, only the difference is the effective load resistance will be decreases from one stage to next stage, because when we apply the AC signal to the base of the first transistor, it appears the amplified form in the primary of the transformer, and the primary will develop the voltage according to that voltage to the secondary of the transformer, and this will be a second stage will again amplify the output of the first stage. So exactly in the similar manner that we discussed in the RC coupled amplifier, it is cascading connections we are using. Cascading connection means the output of the first stage will connect it to the input to the second stage, so on. So each and every stage will be amplified the input. Similarly to the RC coupled amplifier, only the difference is that because of the using the transformer, the primary will be such a way that the effective load will be increases. Let's discuss about the frequency response. We know the frequency response of the RC coupled amplifier. The frequency response of the RC coupled amplifier will be like that way. Okay, as you increase the frequency, the gain will be decreases. As you decrease the frequency, gain will be decreases. So at low frequency, gain will reduce. At high frequency, gain will be reduced. But in the mid frequency, gain will remain almost constant. That mid frequency, that is our audio range frequency. So from the frequency response of the transformer coupled amplifier, that it is very poor, because you see in the curve, gain is not constant. It is remains constant for the small range of the frequency. We know very well the output voltage is equal to the collector current multiply by the reactance of the primary, because we know V is equal to IR. So collector current multiply by the reactance of the primary winding. At low frequency, the reactance of primary begins to fall. Low frequency હશે એટલે gain તમારો શું થશે? Reduce થશે, decrease the gain. Reactance and resulting in decrease the gain. As high frequency, the capacitance between the turns of winding act as a bypass condenser. So again, they will be reduce the voltage and reduce the gain. જેવી રીતે આપણે આરસી કપલ્ડ એમ્પ્લીફાયરમાં થતું એવું જ આમાં થશે. હાઈ ફ્રીક્વન્સી માટે ગેઇન રિડ્યુસ થશે, લો ફ્રીક્વન્સી માટે ગેઇન શું થશે? રિડ્યુસ થશે. It follows, therefore, there will be a disproportionate amplification of the frequencies will be that. Or we can say the distortion amplification of the frequency will be occurs in a music, in a speech. Hence, it will be introduced a frequency distortion in the transformer coupled amplifier, because of it will be not have a gain constant for any frequency. Yes, it will be constant for a small range of the frequency. It follows, therefore, there will be a distortion amplification will be occurs, that is called as a frequency distortion in the transformer coupled amplifier. So we can say that it may be gives you a proper output similar to the RC coupled amplifier. The RC coupled amplifier, we can got the audio frequency range, the gain will be almost remain constant. This will also achieve in the transformer coupled amplifier, but the cost become very high. Very high means 10 to 20 times expensive than RC coupled amplifier. Yes, we got to, it's not like that by using transformer coupled amplifier we will not get audio range frequency gain, but it will be little bit costly, and that's why we are using RC coupled amplifier for audio range frequency. Advantage: no signal power lost in the collector or a base resistor. It will be gives you excellent impedance matching because of the turns ratio. It is easy to make the inductive reactance of the primary equal to the output impedance of the transistor, and inductive reactance of the secondary equal to the input impedance of the next stage. So it provides a excellent impedance matching in the transformer coupled amplifier, and because of that excellent impedance matching we get high power gain and high voltage gain. Let's have a disadvantages. Disadvantage will be clear. Gain will never be a constant, or gain will be constant for a very small frequencies, so it has poor frequency response. Because we are using in the RC coupled amplifier, the resistors and capacitors were used as a coupling devices, where here transformer will be used as a coupling devices, so circuit becomes little bit bulky as well as expensive at audio frequency range. It has frequency distortion. So we can, that is the low frequency signals are less amplified compared to high frequency signals. It will introduce hum in the output. Some noise will be there in the output. So this is about the RC transformer coupled amplifier application. It is mostly used for the impedance matching. But how this impedance matching can be achieved? How? So generally in a multi-stage transistor amplifier, the last stage will be used for the power amplification. It means the transfer a maximum power to the output device. That is, we can say that the speaker will be our output device. So we can say that we are using power stage in the last, we are using power amplification in the last stage. So it will be transfer a maximum power to the output device. How this maximum power can be achieved? For maximum power transfer, the impedance of power source should be equal to that of load. Usually the impedance of output device is few ohms, whereas the output impedance of transistor is 100 times of this value. This value करता 100 times વધારે હોય. But how this will be achieved? In order to match the impedance, we are using a step down transformer with proper turn ratio. Proper turn ratio, it means a number of turns in the primary and secondary. The impedance of secondary of the transformer is made equal to the load impedance and primary impedance equal to the output impedance of the transistor. How? For this we are using one circuit. See, this is we are using step down transformer over here. NP, that is number of turns in primary, NS, that is number of turns in secondary. Suppose for the output device, that is loudspeaker, is connected to the secondary, has a resistance RL, where R dash L is a resistance appear on the primary, and this will be found out by RL dash upon RL is equal to NP by NS square. So RL dash is equal to NP by NS square, NP by NS square into RL. Suppose the turn ratio between NP upon NS is equal to 10:1, and value of RL, that is speaker, the speaker value is 100 ohms. Then the resistance at primary can be found out by RL dash is equal to NP by NS whole square into RL. We have NP by NS, that is 10:1, so 10 upon 1 whole square into 100. So we can find it out, that is equal to 10 kilo ohm. The resistance appears across primary will be 10 kilo ohms. The resistance of this will be 100 ohms. So the load on the primary side is comparable to input impedance of the transistor. કારણ કે ઇનપુટ ઇમ્પિડન્સ એનો કેટલો આવ્યો તો આપણે એમ કહી શકીએ કે 10 કિલો ઓહમ આવ્યો, 100 ઓહમ જ છે. This result in the maximum power transfer from transistor to primary of the transformer, and this will be shows on the secondary of the transformer. This shows that the low value of load resistance, that is speaker, can be stepped up to a more value of the collector transistor by using appropriate turn ratio of the transformer. So this is the application of a transformer coupled amplifier. So let's have a revise a transformer coupled amplifier. A transformer coupled amplifier, that is coupling can be done by using transformer. A proper turn ratio transformer can be used to provide a high power gain and high voltage gain. Then the property of transistor, whenever the AC signal will apply, it will be appears across the amplified output will be appears across the primary of the transformer, that will be again induced on the secondary, and this will be fed to the base of the second one, and stage by stage the amplification will be done. A frequency response, it has very poor frequency response because gain is only constant for the small range of the frequency, because at low frequency the reactance of primary begins to fall. Because of this the gain will be decreased. Similarly, at the high frequencies the capacitance between the turns winding will be act as a bypass, so again the voltage will be reduced. So there you can say that it has a frequency distortion in the frequency response, but it may get exact output similar to the RC coupled amplifier, but it will be a little bit expensive. Advantage, there will be no power lost. Second, the best impedance matching. Because of that best impedance matching we get high power gain and high voltage gain. Again, some disadvantages also there. It is little bit expensive, poor frequency response. It is because of the transformer use, it is little bit bulky too. It has frequency distortion also, and it produces hum in the output. Then we discuss about the application, how the impedance matching can be done. This will be by, suppose we are using one step down transformer of the turn ratio of 10:1 with the speaker having a load resistance 100 ohms. Then the voltage appears or resistance appears across the primary will be 10 kilo ohm by using formula NP by NS whole square upon into RL. So we get 10 kilo ohms. So we can say that the load on the primary side is very much high or comparable output to output impedance of the transistor, and this will be transfer a maximum power to our loudspeaker. So this is about the transformer coupled amplifier.